We never knew. We're not prepared. The year 2019 marked as the beginning of a nightmare no one ever expected.
Magandang gabi po, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Lagpas 1 milyon na po ang tinamaan ng COVID-19 sa Pilipinas.
Pandemic happened, everything changed. Hello? O bakit siya?
Kumusta ka na? Diyos ko, ilang linggo na tayong walang pasok ah. Nakakaloka talaga tong pandemya. Sana mawala na at makapag-grade 9 na tayo.
It never happened. For 2 years, we were locked up. Everything changed.
Hello class, good morning. So before we start our online class, I will take our attendance first. So let's start with Erpe,
Present po, ma'am.
Distor,
Present po, miss.
okay, Junio,
Present po, ma'am.
thank you. So Maravilla, okay, last call, Maravilla. Oh, what happened to Maravilla, guys? Junio, what happened to your best friend?
I tried. I really did my best to cope with the new learning modalities, but it's hard. It's becoming more challenging as the pandemic continues to worsen.
Brian? Buti sinagot mo na. Alam mo ba, I did it. Nakapasa ako sa education. Kung magiging teacher talaga ako. Ipagtatupad yung pangarap na nagbilaw na. Sinabi ko naman sa'yo, di ba? Basta magtiyaga ka lang. Oo, at naiiba ka man sa kanila. At sa kung paano ka matuto. Pero, hindi yung dahilan para hindi umabot yung mga pangarap. Basta, galingan mo lang palagi.
Despite all the twists and turns, I didn't stop. Although I couldn't take a ride, I walked. Even though it takes time, I continue to move forward, thanks to my superhero.
There is no easy path. You must feel it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. That's life, anak. You're not alone in this journey. Life might seem unfair, but remember, challenges are opportunities in disguise. Every obstacle you overcome builds your strength and resilience. Believe in yourself, for you are capable of achieving greatness.
Brain, si Brian, wala na. Nagpakamatay siya.
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di ba? Basta magtiyaga ka lang. Oo, at naiiba ka man sa kanila. at sa kung paano ko matuto, pero hindi yung dahilan para hindi umabot yung mga pangarap. Basta, galingan mo lang palagi.